Today, I'm going to show you two stunning keyboards from Epomaker, the Tide 65 in blue and the Tide 75 in anodized pink. The Tide 65's compact layout offers a sleek and minimalist design, perfect for those who value desk space without compromising functionality. With a 75% layout, the Tide 75 provides extra keys for those who need a bit of more versatility while still maintaining a compact form factor. Both have an aluminum case, are QMK and VIA compatible, are hot swappable, and offers remote connectivity. So the choice really comes down to your layout preference and color style. Now, let's enjoy the sound test.